Okay. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at AI today. Hey, who doesn't? Stock's up 33% just today. And the company reports earnings tomorrow after the close. So 24 hours from now, you're going to know exactly what this company's doing and what the stock's doing. So let me I'll just kind of explain to you how, how we've traded it here. So what I did was I suggested to people back here, I got people in, not at the bottom, but when the stock broke out, like on this day here, back here, the stock ran up above the 50-day moving average, trading sideways for a while. It was getting really, really jumpy here. We had, a bunch of different trades going on this stock, all bullish trades. But since the entry here at say 23, we'll say, wherever it was, this trade is up like 90%. Now, it's been a while since I've raised the stop. I mean, at some point you go, why bother? But this is what I'm suggesting to our members to do. And hey, a lot of you guys listening to this are members, so you get a preview of coming attractions. But with the stock up almost 90% since we bought it, and the way things are going, I'll show you intraday in just a sec. But what I would suggest doing, I don't think that just closing out of a position like this completely is really a good policy over the long run, because you kind of wind up getting shaken out of stocks that at least 6 months from now, you look back and say, crap, I was shaken out. When what you were really doing is you were taking profits. You were taking good profits on a trade because the stock had gone up so much. Case in point here. So you took these good profits on a trade, stock went up a lot, and then 3, 4, 5, 6 months later, you look at it and it's up another double, and you're wondering what the heck happened. And so my approach is this, that when you got a stock that's up this much, but you like it, I'm looking at the weekly chart, pardon this mess here, it's for something else. I like the way the stock's trading. And just a couple of years ago, it was much higher when less was known about AI than is known right now. So these prices here, and I know you can talk about, oh, well, the valuation was nuts and this and that. Okay, well, that's trading. Welcome to stupid valuations up and down. So what I'm looking for is a bigger move, not necessarily from right here, but I am looking for higher prices in AI. This is what I'm getting out of the weekly chart, okay? But with that said, you can't discount the move here. I mean, this has had one hell of a move. So what I'm going to have our traders do is take like half off the table, which effectively gives you a free ride on the rest of it, or take 30%, 40%, but take something off the table simply because you've got such a good profit in your trade that you can afford to leave some on. You can afford to keep some stock, and then maybe it'll go even higher, but you can take some stock off the table and book a really, really good profit. The way I see this is, let's say, remember, this thing's gone up a lot in a short period of time. So the way I see it is, if the company reports earnings that really excite the market and traders are coming in other words, there's a bid for the stock goes up. My suspicion would be that a stock that opens up here is probably going to sell off quite a bit, simply because of the parabolic nature of this move. So again, my suggestion is take some off the table, book those profits, say, thank you very much, sir, may I have another? But then keep some of your stock out there so that you can take advantage of any further gains. That's all I got for you. All right. I'll see you guys next time.